Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Brian Farrell coming back at you one more time, showing another passive income stream we're using to make that money online here in 2021. Now that we're trying to get over this whole 2020 situation that happened, people need to get back on their feet and to make that money online, and start earning on from different multiple streams of income. Now, what I'm showing you today, it's not going to be any kind of financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing with my money and what I'm doing with my time, so that maybe you can try to do the same thing for yourself. You might have the same rewards, same results as me. You might have better, you might have no results. I don't know who you are, so I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just giving you some tips on what I've been doing, and that way you can see how my financial journey is going through this cryptocurrency space. Today we're going to talk about TronCase. TronCase is a smart contract that deals with actually providing us a way to make Tron passively. Now, Tron's another cryptocurrency very similar to Bitcoin. It's not as popular as Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, of course, is the first cryptocurrency that came out many years ago. And this is one of the offsprings of Bitcoin is TronCase. Is Tron. And TronCase is a smart contract. Smart contract is simply a contract that it's written as computer code, and once it's been actually written, it can't be hacked. It can't be broken. It can't be rewritten. It can't be customized. It's going to do what it says it's going to do, in and out, every single day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no matter what happens, no matter what's going on in the world. The contract is going to do what's designed to do. Now, this contract is designed to actually pay us automatically to our Tron wallets for any time that we earn Tron. And we actually earn Tron at a rate of 1% daily for the first day to make a deposit into the smart contract, on up to 1.5%. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the smart contract now, give you an idea, showing what's going on with the smart contract, or going on with the actual TronCase platform, so that way you can actually see how it's been working out for me. So let's get to it. Now, it's really very simple to use this smart contract. I mean, that's why it's called a smart contract, because you don't have to do much work at all. I mean, you just set it up, and then it does what it needs to do to get you paid. You don't have to refer anybody to this smart contract if you don't want to. What turned me on to it is that someone presented it to me. I took a look at a quick little video, about 3 minutes long. Actually showed them how to actually make a deposit into the smart contract, and you start earning right away, rather than a 3-minute time frame. So I'm gonna kind of do the same thing here. It's available on any kind of Tron smart wallet that can connect to the smart contract. So the ones that we use primarily going to be Clever or TronLink. I personally prefer TronLink, because TronLink is actually available on your desktop, like we're looking at here right now, or it's available through your mobile device. Where Clever, you can only use on the mobile device. It doesn't have an actual desktop version that can be used here. So for TronLink, all I did was I went to the Chrome Play Store. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how to get to. So if you go to Google, let's see. So go to Google. Sorry. Chrome Store, right? So Google Chrome Store, and then if you just search for TronLink, you will come up with this one right here. It's TronLink. Now the TronLink, it will go ahead, and it's actually going to be an extension if you use it on your computer. It's a Chrome Google extension. If you use it on your phone, it's going to be an app you download. It's going to be the same icon. So it's going to be a blue colored icon with a little arrow in there for syndicating Tron. I've already got it installed on my computer, so you see here I can remove it from Chrome if I needed to. But we're actually just going to jump right into making it work for us. So we'll go ahead and go back over to the home screen. And like I said, I have it installed in here right here. So I'll go ahead and log in real quick. Wrong password. And that's the good thing about these is it's password protected. So unless you have the actual right password, you're not going to be able to get in. No one else can get into your actual wallet and see what's going on. Now my wallet is automatically connected to the smart contract right now, and I'm just going to make a little deposit here real quick into the smart contract and show you how it works. Since I'm already connected, what will happen is if you weren't connected, you would just take your link from your sponsor, and if you do it on the computer, you would first go ahead and download the TronLink wallet. You want to get some Tron into your wallet. The minimum amount needed to deposit is 100 Tron, roughly about $3. No big deal. Anybody can afford that. $3. I mean, that's cheaper than milk McDonald's. So this could actually make you money instead of making you fat. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, if you go ahead and get your TronLink wallet set up, get your Tron in your wallet, and then you simply would just copy and paste your referral link from your sponsor, whoever shared this with you. You paste it in your browser here, and it's going to bring you right into the smart contract. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to the main website, because I'm already linked to the contract through my wallet. Now, because I have my wallet already locked in, already pulled up and signed in, it automatically brings me into the smart contract. So if I click on my personal wallet right here, I can actually see my current results of my personal wallet. So right now, I'm currently getting 1.5% daily on my deposited Tron. Okay, there's several different bonuses you can get from this. You basically start off with a 1% per day, and you're going to get that every single day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Actually, it's 300 days because it actually runs for 300 days until you reach 300% on your deposit, which actually you can achieve that much sooner by just allowing the money to sit in your wallet. Because what happens is you actually get a hold bonus right here. Your hold bonus is 0.5% added each day, each consecutive day that you leave funds available in your balance, right? So essentially, if you look right here, you say I have my balance right here. It increases every 4 seconds, right? Which actually will equate to 1% per day. Now on top of that, I'm going to get a bonus of 0.5%. So the very first day you're going to get 1%. The very next day you're going to get 1.5%. Next day you'll get Next day you'll get 1.1%. Day after that, 1.2%. Day after that, 1.3%. Day after that, 1.4%. Day after that, 1.5%. You cap out at 1.5%, and you remain at 1.5% for as long as you hold money in the smart contract. You hold Tron in the smart contract. As you see here, I've deposited 2,400 Tron so far. Not a lot of money, but it's just a quick way to get started. If you scroll down, you'll see how much you've earned in total, how much you've withdrawn. Now, I haven't actually withdrawn any money, but what happens is if you actually share this with other people, when they come into the program, it has a great referral program here, and it goes 11 levels deep. On the very first level, like I said, I barely share this with anybody, but on the first level, I got 7 people in my downline. So on your first level, if someone comes in and they make a deposit, no matter what the deposit, you're going to get 7% of that automatically sent to your TronLink wallet. And I don't mean sent here to the contract where it's in your available balance here, where it says your available balances you can actually withdraw. I mean, it goes straight to your smart contract. I'm sorry, to your actual wallet. So if you look here, you can see anytime you see receive fund, these are deposits. These are the percentages I've received of Tron directly into my TronLink wallet because someone on my team directly underneath me made a deposit into their smart contract. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you real quick how to just go ahead and make another update here. If I were to withdraw this money, I could withdraw all this money right now. Cool thing about this, like I said, when I first saw this, it showed me that amount was increasing every 4 seconds. So if you watch here, this number will actually increase every 4 seconds. And I thought that's pretty cool because where else can you actually get into a program and spend less than the price of a Happy Meal and actually get started making some happy money? You know what I'm saying? Because this will actually earn you every 4 seconds. You're going to watch this number increase. And you got to do nothing. There's nothing for you to do but put your money in here and just sit back, right? Just sit back and let it earn. And then the reason why they call it a smart contract is because there's no human interaction. This can stop this from working the way it's designed to work. That means that this money will continue to earn every single day without me having to do anything. That means when someone comes in underneath me and make my deposit, I get that money sent to my wallet automatically without having to do anything. I don't have to wait on a certain person to authorize my payments. I don't have to wait on somebody to approve my transactions. I don't have to wait on somebody to probably say, oh, sorry, we don't have enough money today. We can't pay you till Friday, or whatever the case may be. This stuff is going to happen automatically because of the smart contract. If I were to withdraw this, all this money, this full balance right here will go directly into my wallet. I'm not going to do that right now because if I did that, then it would actually bring I'd actually lose my whole bonus because I'm no longer holding money in the smart contract. So as long as you're holding money in a smart contract, you can top off your earnings at 1.5% per day. So I'm going to leave it there for right now. I'm going to deposit some money into the smart contract. The key thing I want you guys to see here is that you got to make sure that you have at least 20 more Tron in your wallet to cover the blockchain commissions or transaction fees. So what I'm going to do here is to take a look back at my wallet. I have 185 Tron there. I'm going to go ahead and just deposit another 100. 100 Tron, right? So it's real easy to do. All you gotta do is come back up here, go back to make a deposit. This defaults to 1,000. I'm gonna make it say 100, right? And then, like I said, I'm gonna keep an extra 20 in my actual wallet, my TronLink wallet, so that I can actually afford the gas fees or the commissions or transaction fees to get the transaction to process immediately. So let's take a quick look again. You'll see that I have total deposit of 2,400, and I'm going to add another 100 real quick to that, and we'll see how this number increases. It shows me how much I can, because the amount will increase, automatically. It's very, very quick. The cool thing about Tron, it's very, very quick. It's very inexpensive. Like I said, it's 100 Tron to get started, which roughly is 3 cents a piece. That's $3. You can afford $3, right? All right, let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to click make a deposit. I'm going to put 100 Tron in right there. I'm going to click deposit. And what's going to happen is going to pop up and say, okay, from my wallet, I'm going to send $100 into the Tron smart contract, right? And all thing I have to do here is just click accept. All right, so let's go ahead and watch this again. All right, so good catch here. So actually, you can't go straight to the smart contract. To make the deposit, you can to view your information and go ahead and make that withdrawal. But to make the deposit, you got to make sure you're actually linked into the smart contract correctly. So you're going to actually log into, you're going to copy your referrals link like I told you. You're going to paste it into the browser up here when you're on the computer. If you're doing it on the phone, you'll be in the TronLink app. On iPhone, on Android is TronLink Pro. Same view. You'll then go into the Discover or the browser app of that app on your phone, and just copy and paste your referral link into that browser of that app on the phone, TronLink or TronLink Pro, depending on Apple or iPhone, Apple or Android, and then you'll be able to bring to the smart contract. So when you make a deposit, it's important that you see here that your upline is going to be showing right here. If they're not displayed here correctly, then your attempts will to upload or make a deposit is going to actually fail because you're not truly connected to the smart contract. So there you go. I went ahead and made a deposit from my personal wallet. So go ahead and clear that out. We'll go back to the personal wallet, and we'll now see that my deposit has now gone to 2,500. Last deposit was today, January 20th, and now you'll see that if you scroll down, here's my referral link. If you join, you'll be able to get your referral link there as well, and of course see all the rewards you have here. And as I said, the money just continues to grow every 4 seconds. Let's count it out. We'll see it pop in. Look, here it goes. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Boom. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Boom. So it's like that. So nothing you gotta do to actually get the money to be earned. You just make your deposit, sit back, and earn. It's very simple, very, very simple. So below this video will be my link to get started. If you have a TronLink app or Tron on your desktop or on your phone, like I said, all you need is 100 Tron to get started. That's roughly $3 right now, so anybody can do that. Of course, the more money you put in, the more you can actually make. What a lot of people doing is compounding. They're actually withdrawing their money, their earnings here into their wallet, and then they're redepositing back into the smart contract, which is really cool because our earnings actually increase from 1% the first day to 1.1% the second day. The next day is 1.2, next day is 1.3, then 1.4, and then 1.5. Because they're increasing like that, we've actually calculated that you'll actually get being 100% profit within 66 days. So they can actually get all your money back pretty quickly there. I'm sorry, you'll actually be break even in 66 days. So it's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and, like I said, get started. Link message me below if you need help. I can definitely walk you through this. Very simple to do, very easy money. It's 2021. Let's get that easy passive money. Once again, this is Brian Farrell showing you the smart contract, TronCase. Let's get in, get that Tron, and get out. Peace.